Hey fellow adventurers, welcome back for another experience with the Roaming Nomads. Get ready for another thrilling travel vlog as we explore the stunning wonders of Girona and the picturesque port town of Cadaqués. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. Today's vlog, we will be traveling from Barcelona to Girona. So picture this, we're minding our own business when bam, a gang of sneaky pickpockets target us. Luckily, our friend Danny spots those sketchy individuals from a mile away. Remember folks, whether you're traveling solo or with a group, always keep your eyes peeled and stay alert. You never know when trouble might strike. First up, we have Girona, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Catalonia, Spain. As we wandered through its ancient cobblestone streets, we were transported back in time. The architecture was mind-blowing with its towering cathedrals, medieval walls, and colorful houses. We couldn't resist capturing those picture-perfect moments for our Instagram. Girona is famous for its incredible culinary scene. We indulged in its delectable tapas, savoring the explosion of flavors that tantalize our taste buds. And let's not forget the refreshing feeling of a nice, cold, local sangria. Trust me, foodies, this place is a gastronomic paradise you won't want to miss. Now let us fast forward to the captivating coastal town of Cadaqués. Known as the Pearl of the Costa Brava, it's a dream destination for beach lovers and art enthusiasts alike. Crystal clear turquoise waters and pristine sandy beaches awaited us, creating the perfect backdrop for some epic drone shots. But what truly stole our hearts was the warm hospitality of the locals. From friendly encounters with fishermen to authentic conversations with cafe owners, the people of Cadaqués welcomed us with open arms, making us feel like we were part of their vibrant community. As we wrapped up our unforgettable journey, we couldn't help but feel grateful for the memories we've created in Girona and Cadaqués. The blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and artistic charm left an indelible mark on our souls. So fellow wanderers, if you're craving a mix of breathtaking architecture, mouth-watering cuisine, coastal bliss, and artistic inspiration, Girona and Cadaqués are calling your name. Pack your bags, hit that subscribe button, and join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and living life to the fullest.